Which sampling methods are essential for conservation fieldwork? Imagine walking through a vibrant forest or across a sprawling grassland, trying to understand what animals live there and how healthy the habitat is. That's where sampling methods come into play. They are the tools conservationists use to gather reliable information about wildlife and their environments. Knowing which methods to use can make all the difference in protecting species and ecosystems. One of the most common methods is stratified sampling. This involves dividing the area into different zones based on observable features like vegetation or terrain. For example, if a habitat has mostly forest and some grassland, samples are taken proportionally from each. This helps ensure all habitat types are represented, giving a clearer picture of where animals prefer to live. It's especially useful when studying diverse environments. Systematic sampling is another key technique. It involves collecting data at regular intervals along a line or grid. Think of placing camera traps every 10 meters along a trail or counting animals every few meters along a transect. This method provides consistent coverage and helps detect patterns, like how animal populations change from one part of the habitat to another. It's great for studying environmental gradients, such as shoreline to inland areas. Random sampling is straightforward but powerful. It means choosing locations or individuals randomly, without following a pattern. This reduces bias and is helpful when habitat types are mixed or unknown. For example, randomly selecting spots to set up observation points ensures every part of the area has an equal chance of being studied. It's especially useful when trying to get unbiased estimates of animal numbers. Adaptive sampling is a flexible approach. It starts with a basic plan, but if an area shows high animal activity, more samples are taken there. This method is perfect for finding rare or shy species. If you see signs of animals or detect movement, you can focus your efforts to learn more about their behavior and density. It saves time and resources by concentrating on hotspots. Occupancy sampling estimates whether a species is present or absent across multiple visits to the same sites. It accounts for animals that might be there but not always seen. This method helps track how animals use habitats over time and can reveal trends in population size or distribution. It's a valuable tool for long-term monitoring. In addition to these core methods, conservationists often use visual surveys and point counts to directly observe animals or birds. Line transects involve counting animals along a set path to estimate how many are in an area. Camera traps are automated devices triggered by motion, capturing images of elusive or nocturnal species without disturbing them. Mark recapture techniques involve capturing animals, marking them, and then recapturing to estimate how many animals are in the population. Understanding these sampling methods is vital for anyone working in animal care or conservation. Choosing the right technique depends on the species, habitat, and goals of the project. It's also important to minimize stress and disturbance to animals during sampling. Being familiar with these methods helps professionals work effectively with ecologists and wildlife biologists, making sure the data collected supports strong conservation efforts. In the end, stratified, systematic, random, adaptive, and occupancy sampling are the main tools in a conservationist's kit. When combined with practical techniques like camera trapping and visual surveys, they help gather the information needed to protect wildlife and manage ecosystems responsibly.